Dear students, good morning. I am Anand Kumar Mitra, welcoming you to online class from Upasahar College. By this time, we have already earned some proficiency on online class, and I think now it is not a new method to us, rather we are becoming used to it gradually. We are so far discussing English second paper. You know, today we will once again learn English second paper, and our today's topic is affirmative to negative, as it was unfinished in the last class. So we will continue affirmative to negative, which is an item of transformation of sentences. You will find this item at question number 6 in your question paper. So let's we start affirmative to negative. In the last class, we discussed 4 rules. Today, we will discuss rule number 5, and the rule is when a sentence begins with as soon as, then the rule will be, I think it is better for you to note it down on your khata. The rule will be no sooner had plus subject plus V3 plus dot dot plus then plus second sentence. Listen again. If a sentence begins with as soon as, then the rule will be no sooner had. We will write no sooner had at the beginning of the sentence, then subject, then V3, then dot dot. What is dot dot? I will explain it later on. Then, and at last the second sentence. We will use then, not then. Notice it. We sometimes mistake. Not then, but then. The spelling will be then, T-H-A-N. And what is dot dot? The portion before comma. You will find a comma. When a sentence begins with as soon as, you will find a comma in the middle of the sentence, and dot dot means the sentence, the part of this first sentence, and it is before comma. So the rule finally stands. So no sooner had plus subject plus V3 plus dot dot plus then plus second sentence. For example, as soon as he saw me, please write on your notebook or note khata, as soon as he saw me, he ran away. As soon as he saw me, as soon as he saw me, comma, he ran away. So this sentence begins with as soon as. So when a sentence will begin with as soon as, the negative form of it will be no sooner had. No sooner had. Then subject. Here subject is he. Then V3. The V3 of saw is seen. Then dot dot means me here. Then then we will write then in place of comma, then rest of the sentence or the second sentence. So the answer will be, no sooner had he seen me than he ran away. Not very difficult if you cultivate it carefully, notice it carefully. I think you will learn it easily. So, as soon as he saw me, he ran away. The answer will be, no sooner had, then subject he, then V3 seen, then me, and we will use then in place of comma, then second sentence. Similarly, if we cite another example, it will be so. As soon as the bell rang, as soon as the bell rang, the exam started. As soon as the bell rang, as the bell rang, comma, the exam started. So the answer will be, no sooner had, in place of as soon as, then subject the bell, then V3 rang, RUNG, then in place of comma, then the second sentence. So the answer will be, no sooner had the bell rang, then the exam started. So I think you have, the point is clear to you. When a sentence begins with as soon as, the rule will be no sooner had plus subject plus V3 plus dot dot plus then plus second sentence. Rule number 6. Rule 6. When a sentence begins with every plus noun, notice every plus noun means everybody, everyone, every mother, every cloud, every rose, so on. Then the rule will be, there is no. What will be the rule? There is no. There is no plus that very noun. There is no plus noun. Noun. There is no but every. Notice every plus but plus rest of the sentence. Rest of the sentence. So, when a sentence begins with every plus noun, then the rule will be, there is no plus noun plus but plus rest of the sentence. Notice here we will have to omit that very every. Every mother, every one, everybody. If these are in the beginning of the sentence, we will have to omit every. We will have to omit every. Then we will use but and then rest of the sentence. For example, every body likes flower. If a sentence begins with everybody, we will have to write there is no body. We will have to omit every. This is significant. This is important. You will always omit every. There is nobody. Then we will use but. This but is also important. Then rest of the sentence likes flower. Similarly, everybody, everyone hates a criminal. Everyone hates a criminal. We will write there is no one but hates a criminal. There is no one but hates a criminal. Rule number 7. Sentence with always. Sentence with always. If there is always in a sentence, we will have to write never in place of always. We will have to write never in place of always. And we will have to use opposite word of the word next to always. Next to always. Notice, I always agreed with him. The answer will be I, never in place of always, never in place of always, I never, then the opposite word or antonym of agreed, disagreed with him. So we will have to write never in place of always, and then the opposite word of this very word which is next to always, agreed, the opposite word of agreed or antonym of agreed is disagreed. Then rest of the sentence. Another example, he is always late. Then we will write he is never in place of always, he is never, and the opposite word of late is punctual, P-U-N-C-T-U-A-L. Notice the opposite word of late is punctual. So the answer will be he is never late. He is never late. So whenever we will find never in a, always in a sentence, we will write never in place of always, and at the same time we will use the opposite word of the very word which is next to always. Rule 8. Both dot dot and. If we find both dot dot and in a sentence, we will write not only in place of both and but also in place of and other words will remain unchanged. We will write not only in place of both and but also in place of and. For example, both Rohit and Karim are present. We will write not only in place of both, not only Rohim and but also in place of and. Not only in place of both and but also in place of and. Not only Rohim but also Karim were present. Not only Rohim but also Karim were present. So when a sentence bears both dot dot and, we will write not only in place of both and but also in place of and. That is all from today's class. Dear students, I think you are enjoying online classes and you have already adjusted yourself with this new method of teaching. It is very important because the world is going through a very serious crisis, and I think your English will gradually improve if you watch these online classes. Thank you very much.